In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine digital downloads with your course, so you can easily offer bonus materials, workbooks, or other resources to your students. This is a great way to enhance your course experience and give your students even more value. Stick around until the end to see a free trial of the software I recommend for this. First, let's talk about why you'd want to combine digital downloads with your course. Maybe you have worksheets, cheat sheets, or templates you want to offer as additional learning tools. This is especially useful if you're teaching something practical or hands-on and want to give your students the materials to apply what they're learning immediately. It makes your course more interactive, engaging, and gives your students more resources to succeed. Now, how do you actually add those downloads to your course? You'll want to use software that can manage both your course content and digital files seamlessly. The software we'll be using in this tutorial allows you to upload files directly to the platform and then attach them to specific lessons or modules in your course. No need for any extra complicated steps, just a simple drag and drop. First, upload your digital download file to the software. You can do this by navigating to your course management section and finding the Add Files or Upload Resources button. After you've uploaded your files, you'll be given the option to attach them to specific lessons or units. Make sure to label everything clearly so your students know exactly what each download is for. Once your files are uploaded, go to the section of the course where you'd like the download to appear. You'll typically see an option to attach resources to individual lessons. Select the file you want to attach, and voila! It will now be available for students to download right from that lessons page. If you're using a more complex course structure, where certain downloads should be offered only after completing a particular section or milestone, many software platforms allow you to set up conditional access. This means your students won't see the download until they've completed the previous lessons, which can help with keeping the flow of your course organized and keeping your students engaged. Another key thing to consider is the format of your digital downloads. PDF files work great for most things, but if you're including videos or large files, make sure they are optimized for quick download. No one wants to wait forever for a file to download, especially if they're in the middle of learning something new. Also, make sure the digital downloads are easy to access. You don't want your students wasting time searching for where they can download their resources. Keep everything organized, and if possible, create a section of your course specifically for downloadable resources, so everything is in one place. If you've tried a few popular software options in the past, you might have run into issues with how they handle digital downloads. That's why I'm recommending this specific software, which makes the process super simple and seamless. I've tried most of the popular ones, and this one stands out. In the description below, I've got an exclusive free trial for you, so you can follow along with this tutorial and see for yourself how easy it is to combine digital downloads with your course. To summarize, start by uploading your digital download files into the software, then attach them to the relevant course lessons. If you want more control, use conditional access for files that should only appear after certain lessons are completed. And don't forget about file formats. Keep them optimized for easy downloads. Key takeaway: combining digital downloads with your course is an easy way to provide your students with even more value and keep them engaged. Whether it's templates, PDFs, or workbooks, you can seamlessly integrate these resources into your course to enhance their learning experience. Finally, remember to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only for my viewers, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.